To add fractions, we have to have common denominators. The common denominator between 12 and 18, if we multiply 12 by 3 and 18 by 2, we get 36 for both of them. That you can just do 12 times 1 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 3 is 36, 4 is 48, then 60, and so on. 18 times 1 is 18, times 2 is 36, and right there, you see we have a common multiple. 3 times 5 is 15 over 36. 1 times 2 is 2 over 36. Gives us 17 over 36. You always keep the denominator. You never add them. Okay, subtract. Again, this is going to be easier with improper fractions. Mixed numbers are really never used when you're doing mathematics. They're only ever there for application type problems. So 6 and 1/10. 6 times 10 is 60, plus 1 is 61 over 10 minus, oh, we have 1 4/5. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. And hopefully you can see here that the common denominator here is going to be 10. So multiply the second one by 2 over 2. Gives us 18 over 10. 61 minus 18 is 43, I believe. Make sure of that. Minus 1, 8 minus 61 minus 8 is, you subtract 1, you go down to 60, you subtract 7 more, gives you 53, and subtract 10. Yep. That cannot be simplified. I wonder if they want us to put it in mixed number form. I don't think so. Yeah, they didn't say anything about mixed numbers, so. Subtract. 3 and 9/18 less than 9 and 7/9. The English way of saying that is very weird, but really what we're doing is this. Is we're taking off 3 and 9/18 off of 9 from 7/9. So it's 9 7/9 minus 3 and 9/18, not 3 and 9/18 minus 9 and 7/9. Make sure you understand how to read this in English. If they said 3 and 9/18 subtracted by 9 and 7/9, then it would be flipped as well. But when they use less than, that means you take 3 and 9/18 off of 9 and 7/9. Now, there is a way of doing this with mixed numbers. We could change the 7/9 into, it would be faster. I'll just show that here. I recommend, though, you get in the habit of just using improper fractions. So see here, what I did is I got common denominators between the two things. Now we can directly subtract 9 and 3, giving us 6, and 14 and 9. 14 minus 9 is 5 over 18. And that gives us our correct answer there. If you're not sure how to do that, if it's confusing at all, don't do it. Just do the 9 times 9 is 81, plus 7 is 88. 18 times 3 is, 36, 54, I think. Yep. 54 plus 9 is 63. Now you multiply this by 2 over 2. Giving us 176 over 18. Yeah. And 176 minus 63 gives us 113 over 18. Divide that by 18 and we get 6. 18 times 6 108. We take 113 minus 108 is 5/18. And you see we get the same number both ways. This way was fast in this case, but most of the time that never works. That's the reason why I recommend not really using that method. Unless you know what you're doing, it's easy to get it wrong. Okay, last problem. Welder needs a piece of 1/2-inch pipe. She has a piece that's 20 6. So she needs a 15 7/8 inch long pipe. She has a 20 1/6 inch long pipe. How much must she cut off to get the 15 7/8? Well, that's quite easy to find. We just need to take 20 1/16 minus 15 7/8. And this tells us how much you must cut off from the 20 1/16 to make 15 7/8. I hope that makes sense. Okay, 16. See, you could try doing it the method before. If you did that, you'd see that we'd actually get kind of a weird problem here where this number is going to be bigger, or that fraction is going to be bigger than this fraction. And so it's not going to work out nicely. This one's going to be better to solve it the second way that I showed you, which is change to mixed numbers, or change the improper fractions first. 16 times 20 is 320 plus 1 is 321. 8 times 15 is 120 plus 7 is 127. Common denominators, we just need to multiply 8 by 2. Uh, 2, 4, 2, 5, 4. Let's make sure of that. Yep. 16. We get 67 over 16. And we ask how many times can 16 go into 64? 16 times 4 is 64. 67 minus 64 is 3. 3/16. So she must cut off 4 3/16 to get 15 7/8 remaining. 4 3/16. Check it. And that's correct.